So hey everyone, welcome to Confused Reality. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to shuffle cards for beginners. So let's get started. Coming up next in Confused Reality. So I will open my box of Confused Reality, and as you can see inside this box, here is a deck of cards. So now I will take out the cards from this deck, and now I will show you how to shuffle cards for beginners. The first way is known as the normal shuffle. Basically everyone knows how to shuffle cards like this, but in this video I'm going to show you how to shuffle cards like this in the correct way. So you will hold the cards with these 4 fingers, this middle, ring and pinky finger at the one side and thumb finger at the other side, and index finger here. You can hold it if you want, and if you don't want, you can release the index finger. And now, the second step is, you will pull out a small pile of cards from, with the help of your middle and thumb finger of your right hand. And then, after pulling out, you get on top. Yes? So basically, many of you, what will do is that, pulling out the pile of cards and then keep on top, and leaving it, and then squaring it, and again pulling out the pile of cards and then spinning it off. That takes a lot of time. So to do the shuffle like this in a fast way, what you will have to do is that you are holding these cards, and then when you are pulling out cards from the middle, and when you are keeping it, you will open your palm like this, a little bit, not like that, or else the card will fall on the ground. So like this, and then hold, and with these 4 fingers hold the top 2 or 3 cards, and then with her thumb and middle finger push out the another pile of cards by holding it. And then again, watch me in a slow motion. And after the shuffling is done, you can square up the cards. The most common mistake that a beginner will do with the shuffling is that when he will pull out the pile of cards, as you can see, 2 or 3 from extra cards, either from the top, either from the bottom, also pulls out. No matter, that's a common mistake. Everybody does it. I also done it. I have also done this mistake, so practice it 2-3 times and you will be able to do a perfect normal shuffle. And the second way is that Hindu shuffle. Hindu shuffle is known as very easy. As you can see, you will hold the cards in the right hand with the middle and thumb finger, and then with your middle and thumb finger of your left hand, you will pull out a very small 2 or 3 cards, not 2 or 3, 4 to 5 cards from the top, and then shift it to your palm of your left hand. And in the fast way, it looks like this. I'm doing it fastly, so I'm not taking out 2 or 3 cards. I'm taking out 10 or 9 cards like that. Okay, you can also take out if you want to do it in a fast manner. Okay, as you can see. So the most common mistake is that for a beginner, when he will pull out cards, when he is about to drop the cards in his left hand palm, the cards may fall on the ground. So don't worry, practice it and you will be able to do a perfect finish. So hope you like that video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. And thanks for watching. Bye for now. Peace out.